Hello, good morning. I am Pushp Kumar Rai, PGT, Mathematics, Today we will discuss about an important form of straight line, that is normal. We know some other different forms of straight line like slope or 2 points or intercept forms. Today we will discuss about normal. The statement of this form is like this: equation of a line such that the length of perpendicular from origin upon it is given and the perpendicular line makes an angle alpha with the positive direction of x-axis. We have to find the equation of line under this condition. So first of all, we will draw a figure. The figure is like this. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Take any straight line, suppose it is M. The length of perpendicular from origin to it is OM and its length is suppose P, and this perpendicular makes an angle alpha with positive direction of x-axis. Now in right triangle, suppose this line L intersects x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So we have two right triangles, O and A and O and B. In this right triangle, O and A, we have to find OA. So in right triangle, O and A, in right triangle O and A, cos alpha is equal to, we know, B by H. So this is OM by OA. So here OM is equal to P, so this is P and OA is OA. This implies OA is equal to P by cos alpha. So this OA is x-intercept by this line F. Now in right triangle, OBM. Since this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 minus alpha, so this will be alpha. In right triangle OMB, sin alpha is equal to P by H, so this is OM by OP. Here OM is equal to P and B. This implies OB is equal to P by sin alpha. So here OB means y-intercept of this line, y-intercept. Now we know the intercept of a straight line. So we can find the equation of a line as equation of line L is x by OA plus y by OB is equal to 1. Now we will put the value of OA from here and the value of OB from here. So here OA is equal to P by cos alpha and OB is equal to P by sin alpha, and this is equal to 1. Now this is x cos alpha by P plus y sin alpha by P is equal to 1. Again we can write like this: x cos alpha plus equal to P. So this is the normal form of a straight line. This is the normal form of a straight line. Normal form, or we can say perpendicular form. Perpendicular form also. Now here P is always positive. And alpha is always positive. Its variation is, it may be 0 or greater than 0 or less than equal to 360 degrees. Now, on changing the value of alpha, the graph of this line may vary. We can see like this. If alpha is greater than 0 and less than 90 degrees, the graph will be like this. So this is P and this is alpha. If alpha is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, then the graph of the straight line will be like this. Greater than 0 and less than 180. Again, if alpha is less than 270 degrees and greater than 180 degrees, then graph will be like this. Not 180 degrees, 0 degree, the graph will be like this. So this is P. Again, alpha is greater than 0, less than 360 degrees, then graph will be like this. So this is P and the angle will be like this from here. So different situation may arise. Again, if alpha is equal to 0 degree, then equation may be like this. This is perpendicular P, alpha is equal to 0. Again, alpha is equal to 90 degree, then it may be like this. Again, alpha is equal to 180 degree, the equation may be like this. So this angle is 180. Again, if alpha is equal to 270 degree, the equation of line may be like this. This is P. Now again, we can give an example to illustrate this. Suppose our P is equal to 2 and alpha is equal to 30 degree. The equation of line will be like this. The normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Cos, here x cos alpha means 30 degree and y sin 30 degree, and this is equal to 2. Now we put the value. Cos 30 degree means 3 by 2 and sin 30 degree means half is equal to 2. So this is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Under this condition, the equation of line is root 3x plus y is equal to 4. Now we stop here. Again, next day we will discuss how to convert normal form into some different